Hi, I'm Joey Simmons. In this video, we'll walk through how to set up your K25 sensor with a Stratos Multi transmitter. To begin, we'll need to go through the wiring of the sensor. This is done by opening up the transmitter. When using the K25 with the Stratos Multi, an analog conductivity card will be needed. The wiring for this is as follows. The blue cable will go into the A slot. The gray cable will go into the B slot. The white cable goes into the C slot. The solid green cable goes into the D slot, while the yellow and green cable goes into the E slot. The larger, thick black cable goes into the F slot. The G space here is left open, while the red shield cable is landed here on the H spot. Once we have that wired in, we can take our card, slide it into the back door here, and then we will close up this portion of the transmitter. Then we can fully close the transmitter. Now that we have our sensor wired in, we can go set the parameters for it. To begin, we'll go into the main menu and then select Parameter Settings. We'll scroll down to Administrator level and enter our passcode. The default passcode is 1989. From here, we'll go to Sensor Selection. Now, because we have the sensor inserted into the second module slot, we will need to do Sensor Selection 2. From here, we will turn the module to MK Cond because we're using a conductivity sensor. Then we'll ensure that the mode is then set to analog. Once we have that, the module will be identified. We will continue setting up the sensor. We will scroll down to Sensor 2, Analog Cond, into Sensor Data, and because the K25 is a 4-electrode sensor, we will set it to 4EL sensor here. Additionally, the nominal cell constant for the K25 is going to be 0.5 centimeters. We will accept the nominal cell constant adjustment here. And then additionally, we will go down into temperature detection and make sure that we are set for PT 1000. Once this is all set up, we can go through a calibration of our sensor, which will be shown in a separate video. Once we have all these settings configured, we can exit the menu. The sensor will release hold mode and begin measurement mode. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you.